I know you've been waiting for the jingle.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
We have to do the appointment.
Oh, the appointment is fine today, I think. It's only for the drop box that it's tomorrow.
Oh.
If you have an appointment, I think you're fine.
Okay, the drop off the what?
I'm not sure. If you have an appointment, I think you're fine. You can go in.
Oh, so tomorrow, the 9 a.m. the available?
That's for this. If you need to use the drop box. If you have an appointment, you can go in today.
Oh,
Yeah.
and then I have to do the phone and then appointment?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Likey